So let's first start off by creating the project. So let's first begin by getting the button. I'm just going to see what Scratch has for today. But obviously you can create your own button because I for sure highly recommend this, but I'm just going to get the button for now. Alright, let's just name this button. Alright, so go to Events tab and grab a one green flag clicked, and go to Control and grab a forever loop and grab it if else. Then go to Sensing and grab a touching mouse pointer, go to Looks, grab two sets, make sure you set brightness to -5 and set brightness back to 0. As you see, the button gets darker as we click it. I mean, it just gets dark. It doesn't get darker, but you know, you get the idea. Alright, so just go to Control and grab an if, go to Sensing, grab a mouse down. So if mouse down, we're going to broadcast a new message. Name this whatever you want, but I'm just gonna call it message. But name it whatever you want. Be creative and everything. I'm just going to create a sprite. So I'll be right back. I'm just gonna create something real quick. Alright. This took me a long time to finish, but I finally completed it. So what I did was that I just made a rectangle. Very simple. And I repositioned the button and the rectangle that I just made. You could do this, but I'm just doing this for now. Alright. Before we code though, actually, let's go back to the button. Let's actually get a sound. So I'm just going to real quick find a sound that we could use for this. So let's just find something. I'm going to use this. I feel like it's good. Or actually, hold up. I'll do this. Looks more cool. Alright. The name looks cool. The sound looks cool. Alright. So after we got our sound, let's make sure to start sound after we broadcast. So as you see, there you go. Very simple. Alright, let's code this up. Alright. Or actually, hold up. I'm gonna put this more thickness. Alright. Grab a one green flag clicked. Set ghost effect. Set ghost effect to 100. And then after this, you're gonna wanna grab a change ghost effect by -7 in a forever loop. Make sure you get when I receive. As you see, I think we're finished. So let's check it out. There you go. So we could like customize this. So I'm just going to add danger. Alright. And a little hack. I'm gonna make this darker. There you go. Pretty cool, right? Perfect. Alright. So we're finished. So I showed you today that we could simply make a button with simple coding. Alright, so I'm going to stop this video here. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I could make more videos soon. Okay guys, peace.